Deal Triple D Barbecue. Now found it all over the country. I'm New York, Fairfield, Connecticut. You got Wilson. You go to Chicago, you got Smoke. You go all the way out to California to Venice Beach. You got the crazies from Baby Blues Barbecue. If you're looking for barbecue in Philly, you gotta check it out here at Percy Street Barbecue.
The best barbecue in the city. Plain as that.
And it all started as a hobby for owner Aaron O'Shea.
All of my barbecue is like hanging out front.